In this video, we'll see how to use H2D's comfort functions. Good night is the feature that makes your pump ultra quiet. To activate it, press play on the widget. Wait a moment and the mode will be active and will start working at the scheduled time. You can customize the default settings directly from the widget. Use the slider to select the intensity. The higher the value, the quieter and more economical the pump becomes. To set the activation time, simply modify start time by entering the desired time and confirming to save. To set the duration, modify duration instead. The value you set will determine how long the function will be active. Confirm to save. At this point, you can activate Good Night. When the function is active, the parameters cannot be modified. At the end of the set time, the function stops automatically, but you can stop it whenever you want by pressing stop. Now let's move on to Power Shower. Power Shower transforms your shower into a super shower. To activate it, press play on the widget. Wait a moment and the function will be active. You can customize the default settings directly from the widget. Use the slider to select the intensity. The maximum value corresponds to maximum pressure. To set the duration, simply modify duration by entering the desired minutes and confirming to save. When Power Shower is active, the parameters cannot be modified. At the end of the set time, the function stops automatically, but you can stop it whenever you want by pressing stop. Remember that you can connect H2D to your voice assistant. For Power Shower, just say, "Turn on Power Shower."